What is the important point in modern human civilization? In modern age, we are having a lot of confusion. Suppose that temperature rises and there is some tsunami, earthquake, somewhere is a flood, drought, so many things when we observe, then we have confusion. Oh, God is not helping. Oh, something is very bad. Oh, this is very bad. Unknowingly, we speak lie, incorrect, inappropriate. Then we blame God. Oh, God is not helping. Then we blame ourselves. We are very bad. Because of this it is happening. Why it is happening? Why there is a global warming? Why the snow and ice will start melting it? Why we listen every time earthquake here and there, tsunami here and there, so many things. What is the reason behind it? Because we are in ascending Dwapara Yuga. Everywhere you will find change. Internal climate will change, external climate will change. Everywhere change will be there according to the present Yuga. And present Yuga, ascending Dwapara Yuga, is better than dark phase, than Kali Yuga. Therefore, we need clear understanding. How to get clear understanding? Therefore, we need Kriya Yoga meditation. When we practice it more and more, we will have a real understanding about everything what is happening around. And we will have clear understanding, then knowingly, unknowingly, we will not speak incorrect. We will not speak lie. Otherwise, we will keep on doing mistake. And when we work like ignorant, we speak incorrectly, we follow the principle of illusion, that is called sin. In order to prevent that we should not commit sin, we need realization of truth. How to realize truth? Kriya Yoga meditation promises. If you are giving the highest importance to this, you are on the path of truth. You will experience truth. Your all behavior will demonstrate all activities of truth. This is what we need. If we are not interested in realizing truth, then we will have a lot of problems. So many kind of problems. Illness, sickness, tension, worries, all the things will come. Therefore, it is demand of the present time, because everything is changing. Science is evolving. We need Kriya Yoga meditation. It is very important. Then we will not have any confusion. We will not have misinterpretation. Therefore, we must practice it. When we are one with the truth, then we will realize that we are very calm and quiet. Then we will not thinking how to get peace. We will realize peace is at nearest of near. We will not have so much anxiety to get knowledge, purchasing books and keep on reading it. We will realize knowledge is at nearest of near. We will not keep on searching tonic and many other kind of food. This food we have to eat, that we have to eat in order to get strength and power. Moment you will practice Kriya Yoga meditation, you will have a real understanding that power is at nearest of near. Then we are having very much fear that friendship will be loosened, our friendship will be dissolved. We want eternal friend. We should not worry about it. If you practice Kriya Yoga meditation, you will realize friendship will be eternal and you will have a real friend in your life, which will be all the time together, without any condition. Because of all these important things, what we are listening, we need truth behind all activities. Therefore, Kriya Yoga is important in modern time. Now we are ready to practice it. Let us practice with the highest devotion.